Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market and analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. And we can see that after making a high of 3760, gold is in consolidation right now. Gold seems unstoppable and nobody knows from where gold will reverse. Obviously, at one point, retracement or correction will come. But predicting the top and bottom of the market is not possible for any trader. So, till then, follow the trend of the market. That is the only solution. Because technically, obviously, at one point, there will be some profit booking. There will be some correction. But when? Nobody knows. Suppose you have taken a sell position at 3700 and you're expecting a sell, and gold continues the upside to 3800, 3900. What will happen? You will just blow your account. So respect the trend of the market and try to follow the trend of the market as long as gold is continuing the upside. At one point, retracement profit booking will come, but as of now, nobody knows when it will come. And as a trader, we need to be realistic also. Okay, and if we look at the economic calendar, we have the speech of Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell today. So this may trigger some profit booking. After the speech of Jerome Powell, if market starts dropping or if you see some selling, then you can go with the sell. Okay, but till then or before the speech of Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell, try to be on the buy only, because market is bullish and buying at retracement is still the best trading strategy. So far we have been buying at dip or buying at retracement or buying at breakout, and we are doing well. So those who are still holding buy position, yes, those who are still holding buy position, hold your buy with stop losses. I am not going to give you any stop loss here because your buy levels are different, but you can keep your stop loss not 36. Okay, you can keep your stop loss around 3700, because many of you have been holding gold from 3500, 3600. If you are holding, you can keep your stop loss around 3700 and hold your buy. If you're holding buy position without stop loss, that is dangerous, because if gold starts falling, you may not get time to exit also. So my dear friends, those who are having buy, please start trading your stop losses. Okay, and those who are looking for fresh position in the market, buying at retracement or buy at breakout is still the best trading strategy for you, or at least till the speech of Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. So where are the levels then? As you can see that the levels on the chart of gold have not changed much. More or less the levels are still the same. The best level is around 3700. Yesterday also we discussed. So around 3700, a psychological level, round number, so we can expect the market to take support. Then we also have support around 367471. Yesterday also we discussed this one. The previous resistance will be working as support. Then we also have a support around 3661 to 58. This box here, same logic, previous resistance will become the new support. So around 3700, it can be 370203 also. So around 3700, 367471, 6158 are the three support levels where we can look for a buy if market dips or market comes to retracement. Keep in mind, no level is permanent. If you see market taking support, then only hit the buy button. Do not trade like a gambler. Okay, and these levels are far away. That is a problem. So immediate level, okay, we have around the green line 3728. Why are we considering 3728? Same logic. It's a minor level, not a major level, but if market remains like this, day traders, we can expect support around 3728, 3727 area as well. Why? Same logic, previous resistance will work as support. But as I said, it's a minor level, so it will only work when the volume is low. Right now, the volume is not high. If market remains like this, then you can expect to bounce or market to take support. Okay, if it does, we can buy. No level is permanent, keep in mind. Okay, now these are the levels, okay, where we can look for buy at retracement if market comes down. The second is buy at breakout. Okay, only two possibilities. Okay, market will either come down or market will go up. If market goes down, we will be buying at retracement. If market goes up, then obviously buying a breakout is the only strategy. So here we can look for a buy above 3760. Okay, but be careful because already the move has been crazy. This is not at all healthy move of gold. Okay, but still, if market goes up, we cannot do anything, isn't it? Apart from following the trend of the market, we have no other choice. So we can look for buy at breakout, but as I told yesterday also, buying at pullback is much more safer in comparison to buying at breakout. So later on, when 3759, 3757, this area will become the new support, then you can look for a buy because the previous resistance will become the support, means buying at pullback. See, I have drawn an arrow also. So after a breakout, when the same level will become the new support, then you can enter. Okay, it will be safer. But right now, as I can see, market is in consolidation. Yes, market is in consolidation. If the consolidation continues for another 2 to 3 hours, then it's a good sign because for any breakout, consolidation is important. After consolidation, if market shoots up, or by the European session, if you see that there is a breakout, then you can buy at breakout. Otherwise, without consolidation, there is a possibility that after some upside, market will come down. So I'm recording the video in the Asian session, and these are the best trading possibilities. Obviously, the market will change. Maybe we will see some surprises also. For that, okay, you can subscribe to the Telegram community. If anything crazy happens, okay, you will get an update there. If you are still not a part of the Telegram community, you will find a link in the description. Be careful, there are lots of scams also going on in my name. Only join the community with the link in the description. Okay, and if a breakout comes now, there's a possibility that after 50-60 pips market may come down. Okay, so let's see whether market consolidates or not. Consolidations are healthy. If a breakout comes after consolidation, we can go for a buy above 276, sorry, not 3760. If it doesn't, then it's better to buy at pullback when the same level will become the new support. So these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold while recording a video in the Asian session. Let's wait and watch. So use proper stop loss. Okay, and as I've already mentioned, obviously at one point profit booking will come, but nobody knows when it will come. So be careful with your buys also because already the move even by the market is not at all healthy. Okay, obviously at one point profit booking will come. Maybe tomorrow, day after, nobody knows. Till then, following the trend is the only solution. Okay, but when profit booking will come, okay, it may be massive. Okay, I'm expecting till 3600 or 3650. Let's see, okay, when it comes. So that's all from my side, my friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.